It's our Bridgeport member machine. It's got the belt drive head, brand new 2X digital readout, brand new power feed in the X, and as requested, brand new power feed in the Z as well. So the 36-inch table, it's had a full strip down service, so it really is excellent, this machine. We've placed all sorts of bearings, belts. There's too many parts to list of what we've replaced in this machine. So I'm going to run through it now and let you see it in sort of a virtual video demo. And when you're ready, please come down and see it for yourself in real life. Thanks a lot. Okay, so X-axis is absolutely lovely all the way across. As I say, this is a really lovely condition, 36-inch table machine. The table is almost unmarked, so it's really nice condition. Same with the Y-axis. Beds are in excellent condition here, and it's lovely and smooth all the way across. Almost no backlash at all there, it's really nice. All the table locks have been serviced, so the X, the Y and the D down the bottom here, all been serviced and all working great. The lube's all been serviced, new pipes, new valves, all the pump itself has been serviced, all the replaced with new, so it's all in great working order. So I'm going to show you how feeds working together now. They're both variable speed, of course. See, when that hits the stop, it just shuts down automatically. As I say, they're both variable speed. You can rapid override with this switch at any time. Variable speed right the way down. That's about the slowest. Now you should be able to still see it moving on the DRO there. A rapid override. Take your finger off, it goes back to feed again. Same the other way. So it's a really nice system. Okay. As mentioned, the knee has all been serviced with new bearings in there and everything, so that's all working great. So that's all running just fine. As you heard it, obviously running with the power feed, runs great, you know. Okay, so that's all fine. There's a coolant tray all included, original Bridgeport fiberglass coolant tray. Right, moving on to the belt drive head and the quill. So fire it up. Here how quiet that is, it's lovely and quiet. We both forward and reverse. Engage the quill. You see it's feeding up. And we can reverse that. Just here. You see it's feeding down now. Probably be able to see it better with the handle. So for every spindle speed, we've got 3 different feed rates. That's the highest feed at the moment. That's the slowest. There's your medium feed rate there. Okay, they're all working fine. I'll let it come all the way down and trip out for itself where the stop is there. If ever you want to knock the quill out, so just move this handle round and that shuts all the quill area down. You can still use it manual, but just not in feed mode. But if you're not using it, it's best to do that. Okay, it shuts down just great on its own. So we move the quill up, and just to tell you there's a quill lock here. That is all working great. Okay. So I'll put on to the higher range now, highest level speed. Again, it's lovely and quiet. Just hit the brake just to show you that it does work. Okay, so we're going to swap from high to low now. So we're in high with this handle forward and one at the back. That's away from you. It's further towards the back of the machine. So let's go to low, move this handle to the right, and move this handle towards you. Okay? then you're in low range. As you can hear, it's just as quiet in low range. It's absolutely lovely. Okay. Now we're going to swap back to high range now for you. So the handle at the side, towards the back of the machine, and this one back towards the front. Okay? As you do that, you must make it pop, so you must turn the spindle. Hear it pop, you must make it do that, just to get it to align into the dog drive, and then it fires on just fine. So as long as you make sure it does, just turn the spindle, it'll pop, you'll be absolutely fine. Okay? So keep your machine in good condition by just pumping the lube once or twice in every 8 hours period, and also filling these little oil pots here, once every 3 to 4 days. But obviously, if you use the machine a lot, just increase your oiling period. That's great. Thanks for watching. Please come down and see it in real life. Cheers.